So it just shows you that God is outside of time. God sees the future.
Yeah.
You see? And God, the future is here. We can know the future by looking at the past. If you want to know the future, study the past.
Amen.
I'll tell you that. You know? That's why even like with this whole Brexit, I voted leave. And I don't want to start a political war. This is mad. I voted leave. But one of the reasons I voted leave is I look at history and I see that strong kingdoms last because of unity and strength. Strong nations and weak nations don't hold together. And particularly Daniel chapter 2 talks about this image. And it speaks about the iron and the clay. And it was talking about kingdoms.
That's right.
Daniel chapter 2, Daniel had a dream, or King Nebuchadnezzar had a dream, and Daniel had to explain the dream. And the dream was, he saw a head of gold, breast of silver, what was it? Bronze.
And then feet of clay.
Yeah, clay, that's it,
Yeah, what's it? Thighs of bronze, and then this iron feet with clay. It was a mixture of iron and clay.
Yeah, that's
and the iron and clay didn't hold together.
Exactly, yeah.